Hi, Tatum. So I'm giving you some oral feedback on this micro teaching. So hopefully you'll just see that you can click the link that you see and you'll hear this. So it looks like in your micro teaching, what you did is you did some reading aloud with students. I can't really tell if you did them one by, or, I'm guessing that this was kind of one by one they were reading to you. You said that they were reading on their iPads, and I'm wondering, were they using Epic or were they using some kind of app for that? So it sounds like that one thing I really liked about reading this is how you were really seeing the difference, how students were miscue analysis, basically, the words that they were substituting. So, for example, you said monarch, she said monarchs. That would be a miscue that didn't violate any meaning. But cycle and circle are definitely miscues based on visually they're similar, but different meaning. They don't mean the same. So that's kind of interesting. It does say, you weren't doing an analysis, so clearly you could have helped them with words, which it said that you did. And I like the fact that you saw some strong readers and also some struggling readers. So I'm really glad that you enjoyed this, a good opportunity. And you're so right that in every class we have such wide varieties of reading levels. So I'm really glad that by being able to see multiple students read, you could really see those different levels. So looks good. Glad you got that opportunity.